welcome back, guys. Today I will be showing you how to get a new battery terminal on a dirt bike. Let's get that all unlocked real quick. Come on. Of course it wants to. All right, there we go. Turn on the lights. So, this is the battery terminal that's on the dirt bike now. That's supposed to be a full circle, but it's all chewed up. So we're gonna put a new one on. And so, what we first want to do is grab us some wire cutters, which should be right here. And then, I'm just trying to see if you guys can see that on the camera. Cut it right at the end. Now, as you can see, there's two wires. And so, you want to get your, I don't even know what you call them, but these things right here. Get these. I don't know what they're called. And get the end of the wire and strip it. Just go about right there. And then as you twist it like that to get it like broke off. This one's a thick wire, so it's kind of hard to get it stripped. Oops, my bad. I am struggling a little bit here. Nope. It's kind of hard. Alright, I'll be back with you once I get this off. Alright, got these off. As you can see, camera won't focus that well, but there's that one. I got the other one off too right there. Now, what you want to do is, I got this whole bag of batteries, terminals, and wire ends and stuff. So, I'm going to look at these. I'm looking at, hold up. This one right here. You want to, so that's what you want to do, is you want to grab one of these, or any ring end, pretty much, that will fit on the end of your wire. So I got this one, and now, what you want to do is, so, I don't have to, hold up. I don't have to, do this. But if you have an end that's too big, then what you want to do is double this, like wrap it. I'm trying to get good lighting here. Wrap that over till the tip of that is touching the red, and then put it over, so that way. And so, anyway, what you want to do is, if you don't have to do that, twist it. Twist the line real good. Put it in the crimp end. And then you have this second one here. And then you'll stick that in with it, too. Actually, I don't think I'm going to be able to get that to fit. So what I'll do is we can stick it in the other end. No, I can't do that. That's not going to work. Huh, I wonder how I could do this. Oh, I know what I can do. Alright, I'll be back with you in a sec. My camera's really loose. It's like, that's supposed to be straight. Alright, so now that you got these two ends in, I don't know, your dirt bike might not have that second end, but so what I had to do is I had to strip the wire a little more down, and then get it up on the other wire, wrap it around, and then get the sleeve over it. And so now, these ones, why do they not have the crimps on it? Actually, yeah, they do. They're just different. I use the red ones, not the yellows. So what you want to do is get that right there in the middle and just crimp it down. So it's locked in place now. This ain't going nowhere. And then boom, there you go. Brand new fitting on there. And so now just hook up your battery and you're ready to go. So I'll see you in the next one.